interested in how I created this from this, then keep watching. Hey baby. So, this is the result. Got a lovely desk setting, a little vignette over there, and my dresser. And so if you're anything like me, you're a looky-loo, and you want to see what's inside the drawers. So I'm going to show you. This is my jewelry. Oops, that was supposed to be closed. Naughty, naughty. It's all my jewelry. And this is a vintage piece that was given to me by one of my close relatives. And I actually use it to put inspirational images that remind me of things I enjoy. I'll let you see the first page, but the other ones are private. So I got this at a thrift store and I absolutely love it. It's so pastel and pretty. This beautiful makeup case was given to me by my sister when I complained that I gave away the vintage case that one of my relatives gave me. So that was so kind of her to buy that for me. So in there is actually lots of makeup. I got those rose-colored glasses with my sister when we went to a beauty convention, and we both won those glasses, and it reminds me to look at life through rose-colored glasses. This little vignette over here has a lot of my lingerie, and then that hat box there actually houses all of my pantyhose and stockings and beautiful scarves that I wear. Those are my house shoes, and of course you've seen in some of my videos my inspirational picture, which is going to be hung up soon. And these books are my favorite. They are the illustrated summaries of biblical books by the Bible Project. That book has been helpful in deciphering the overall meanings and also how the chapters of each book are laid out. Some of my favorite architectural styles are in those books, and then the white notebook is an account of all of my workshops. Now, this beautiful painting here, of course, I would find it beautiful because it has all my favorite colors in it. It's pink, it's gold, it's cream, and there are different hues, tones, shades in it. But the reason I also call it beautiful is because I made it myself. And so it was one of my first pieces I painted, and I decided that I would not sell it but keep it for myself because I find so much joy and inspiration in looking at it. And it was actually in one of my other rooms, and I was thinking, why don't I bring it into this lovely corner here, and I can be inspired and filled with pleasure each day. This beautiful, beautiful pink purse was given to me again by my lovely little sister. She's into fashion. She's really good at telling you what looks good on you and what doesn't. She knows about the construction of a garment, and so she knows my favorite color is pink. So she bought me that hot pink purse for my birthday, and this is one of my favorite Bibles. Of course, it's pink, and if you ever see me read the Bible on YouTube, I've had my other one, which is black, but this one I really enjoy. It's pretty, it's pink, and I've decided to embellish it, and you may recognize this. Some women, it may look familiar. I purposely put this on there because it has a symbolic message to me. If you read my book, Plumb, you will know the introduction talks about the almond tree and how the Lord relates that to his word and how he spoke to Jeremiah about it. Well, in this picture, these two items are made of almond blossoms and oat milk. So that reminds me of the promise that God made to me that I wrote about in that book. And I really like this jewel embellishment, so I decided to adorn my Bible with that. So this beautiful piece was bought to me by my husband. I was blessed because it symbolizes one of my favorite design styles, my favorite decor styles, and I love the way the legs just curve and the embellishment of the floral decor hand painted on it. And this is where I will do future videos. And I also have a small space here for my little doggy when he wants to relax and hang out with me and see what I'm doing. And I know you would like to see what's in the drawer, so I will oblige that. These are all my sticky tabs and my note cards, as well as I made my own bookmarks out of these patterns that I like and saw. This has all of my electronics cords. Okay. This is my extra pens and pencils drawer. As you can see, I really enjoy drawing, writing, journaling with all types of colors. And this is my everything drawer where I keep my instruments that I play with when I dance, as well as my computer glasses and my cam. So that's it. This is the new space, and if you want any tips on how I did it, and if you remember the clothing I put in previous videos, I streamlined that. I got rid of a lot of clothes and I only kept the ones that I really enjoy and that I felt were pretty. And this is it. This is my new space. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and what inspired me for this space, if you watch my video, The Spirit of Clean, I'm continuously perfecting my home and working on making it as if I were to enter it for the first time and stay there and find some sort of pleasure or joy in it. And so I choose items only to keep and display that fit that criteria. And I thought it would be very important to perfect, or at least revisit and make this place as beautiful as possible, because we are feminine girls. Enjoy.